I'm busy replacing the fuel pumps on the Indy, which sit on the back panel behind the cover between the two taillights. And there are two pumps. Here I've already mounted the one. So there's a pump on the one side over here, and this is for that tank. And then there's one mounted on this side for that tank there. And the fuel lines from the fuel tank will come into the bottom of the pump over there. It'll go up, it'll be pumped up and then go into this line over here, which loops around and then joins a T-piece over there. And from the T-piece, it goes to the main line, to the carburetors. You'll see that the pump has a wire attached to it, and that then joins into that connection over there, which also has a suppressor connected into it, which needs to be used to one of the brackets. And on the back of the pump, you'll see over there, there is an earth strap, which bolts onto the body, onto the mounting on the body, and then onto the fuel pump. I bought two facet fuel pump kits. They came with fittings. These are the older fittings that I've taken off the old pumps because I want it to be straight. Comes with a whole lot of connections and nuts and bolts and things. They also supply new filters, strainers, which fit into the bottom. So there are strainers already in here, but there's a spare in case you ever need it. And that's the whole system now finally put together. The carburetors are now back from being overhauled. They've got new gaskets and kits inside of them. There's a spacer plate at the bottom with new gaskets. They've already been mounted. And you can see I have our new choke cable installed. And then on this side, I have new hoses in place, new clamps, and accelerator linkages have been installed. I just need to get new split pins for them, but we should be ready to start.